Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, the nomination and the question of interest form, for which I have certified that he has paid 100 million naira for the purchase of the form to contest for the presidency of this great nation, Nigeria, under the platform of all progressive Congress. I hereby submit the form to you.
Press. My name is Ibrahim Abdullahi. I represent two of the most vulnerable communities in our country, the nomadic pastoralists and the Almajiri communities, who have decided to purchase this form for our former president, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, to come back and rule this country and continue with the good work he has started. You may recall, ladies and gentlemen of the press, that during Goodluck Jonathan era, he is the first president since independence of Nigeria who has found it expedient, who was magnanimous enough to remember some of the most vulnerable communities in this country, the Almajiri community. He brought a comprehensive policy of reformation and integration of Almajiri into the mainstream educational system in Nigeria. It was the dream and the vision of President Goodluck Jonathan that if that program has continued, we would one day, produce from the Almajiri system of education doctors, engineers, unlike what obtains today. Unfortunately, that program was kept aside as soon as he left. The other part of the community, the vulnerable community that Goodluck Jonathan wanted to really, give a sense of belonging was the Fulani community, the nomadic pastoralists. Recall that he set aside 60 billion naira, 60 billion naira in the coffers of the Central Bank of Nigeria, which was to be used to develop livestock in Nigeria. I believe that if government has continued with that program, today we will have been the Denmark, the Sweden, the Holland of the entire Africa. We could have been what Denmark is to Europe in terms of livestock production, in terms of milk, in terms of beef, and so on. Now, looking at this, situation, and of course the problems Nigeria today is facing, we believe that only a leader with that kind of patriotism, a leader with that kind of fairness, a leader who is ready to give every Nigerian sense of belonging can be able to rule this country. And that leader is Dr. Goodluck Jonathan. We are ready not only to purchase this form for President Goodluck Jonathan, but I want to assure you that our communities, the nomadic pastoralists, has the voting power of about 9 million votes, plus the Almajiri, who also can produce about 5 million, about 14 million. All we are asking other Nigerians is to give us at least 2 million, and we are home and dry.
All right. Let's get your name.
My name is Ibrahim Abdullahi.
When we get to know whether President Goodluck Jonathan has agreed to this assignment.
Well, you may have heard, a lot of interest groups have been coming out to urge him to come and contest, but we felt that because of the deadline that was given, whether he agrees or not, we need to purchase this form. Goodluck Jonathan is not for Goodluck Jonathan. Goodluck Jonathan is for all Nigerians, and therefore we are to determine what direction Goodluck Jonathan will take. And he must run. He must respond to as a leader, as a Nigerian who we believe has the interests of this country at heart. He will accept us. You can see that we are almost late, coming to buy this form. We have been trying with the Almajiris and the Fulanis, selling our cows to gather this money. We were able to raise this fund just yesterday, and we decided to come and purchase this form today. We are calling on Nigerians to support this project. If you are talking about Goodluck Jonathan, I don't think there is any aspirant so far that we have seen that can be compared in any way with Goodluck Jonathan. Unless if Nigerians are not serious, unless if we don't want to reintegrate and unite in this country, unless if we want to continue playing the politics of religion, playing the politics of tribalism. You can see I'm a Fulani man coming from the far north, but I tell you, there is no Nigerian today that I can cast my vote on. There is no Nigerian today that I can campaign for except Goodluck Jonathan. For me, Goodluck Jonathan is better, is the best candidate among all the candidates, irrespective of where you come from, irrespective of your faith, and irrespective of your religion. Goodluck Jonathan is the best president for Nigeria, and I hope with this purchase of form today, I call on all the aspirants, if they are really patriotic, if they want Nigerian unity, if they want sense of belonging, if they want president for all, if they want a president that has come out to say that his ambition is not worth the blood of any Nigerian, no matter how lowly or highly placed that Nigerian is, and he lived to that word when the chips were down, I think it is time Nigerians come back and tell this man, come and lead us.
Is Jonathan a member of APC? Is Jonathan a member of APC? Have you been able to find out? Is Jonathan a member of APC?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Okay. It's all right. It's all right. So what is it? Please, let's hear. What is it?
It's okay.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.